Planning your trade part 2. Now I've only made part 2 just to apologise for an error I made in the previous video, which was regarding a comment about the Forex Factory news announcements for today. I said there was no American or British news that might affect pound today. In fact, I was wrong, but occasionally Forex Factory add things that aren't on there already. I don't think this is the case here. I think what I've done is uh, made the assumption that there was no 1:30 news, which is the open of the American markets, that there was nothing that would affect my trading day, because my trading day finishes, try to finish it by 11, and then maybe look for something after about 6 o'clock, as I have mentioned in previous videos. And I wouldn't be surprised if, bearing in mind I don't trade the fundamentals, I'm not interested in analysing the results and how the results affect price and so on and so forth, because you will have heard the expression that the movements of price according to news are generally priced into the market. Again, it's just a saying, but it's been perpetuated for years and years and years. As such, I'm not interested in trying to work out why. Let that be left to the analyst. All I'm interested in is technical analysis, and I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar news, whatever way it goes, tends to reverse this trend of today. Notice also that we could actually draw a descending trend line on these, and I've not done this, that's why it's not on the chart, but I will now. Join these points together, and you could say we're excuse me, a little overextended through the descending trend line, and it could easily reverse at this point. I know some will say, well, it's broken it and it's used it as a test, but in reality, or used it as support now. But it didn't happen here, it's not really happened here, it's not really happened here. So we could quite easily see a scenario where we break through this the low of this green candle here with the next, not this red candle, but the next hourly candle, which would then constitute a reversal, and you'd then have an alert. And then I would consider drilling down, and by then it would probably be 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, and I would want to see a close through here, and then I would consider trading to this congestion area, if you like, here. So I don't know whether that answers your previous question, Alex, about trading a live trade. I don't know quite what you want from me. Every description is of a trade based on my analysis, my alerts. I try to keep it simple, but obviously with custom videos we tend to get a little bit more into the guts of things, and it's all about really just trends within trends. And all we've got going on here is an uptrend, and then you've joined back into the candlestick uptrend, as you know, bounced off this resistance that's been broken through my 25 levels I've talked about in numerous times now in previous videos. So again, I've digressed, but I'm not quite sure what to explain. But what I'm looking for now is an alert to the downside and a potential. I wouldn't trade into this level, because obviously that's not what I do. I want to be trading the break of that level and to the downside. So watch this space. And if I don't get my alert, then I don't take the trade. It might just carry on up to yesterday's high and try and break through it.